The #1 attraction in Kona, Hawaii, Kona Cloud Forest, guided walking tours. Voted the #1 attraction by TripAdvisor. Winner of TripAdvisor's Certificate of Excellence. Kona Cloud Forest is the only cloud forest in the United States. Walk through a forest of the most exotic trees, plants, and flowers found on Earth. More of a casual walk than a strenuous hike. Our trails are appropriate for young and old. If you love nature, this is the place. Kona Cloud Forest begins at a comfortable and cool 3,000 feet. Daily temperatures average 65 degrees year-round. Located 9 miles from the Kona International Airport. Only a 20-minute drive from downtown Kona. Open 7 days a week. Find us online, #Kona Cloud Forest. All tours are by phone reservation only. We accept all major credit cards. Call today, 808-640-3888. From everyone at the Kona Cloud Forest, aloha and mahalo.